Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a head nod flow and a head rotation flow that you can do that is kind of neat because it allows you to do head nods in all positions relative to your spine. And I'm not even sure that makes sense, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Sometimes I say stuff and I don't even know what I mean. But so we're going to be here, right? So we're in the forearms and knee position. And you can do this in different ways. I'm showing you a way you can do this. And we're going to do head nods here. And then from here, right now our spine is parallel to the floor. From here though, we're going to add an incline. So now our spine is diagonal to the floor. And from here, we're going to get straight up. So now our spine is perpendicular to the floor. And then from here, going to lean back a little bit. And now you're going to feel like, oh, my head is actually heavy. That's kind of interesting. And if you can, and again, you can do this lying down. But you work head nods in all those different positions. It's actually pretty neat. You're going to be glad you did it. You realize that your head does have weight. But we're developing head control. By the way, when you do this, you're using your eyes up, eyes down, head down. You can also do rotation. So we can be here. We can do rotation actually a couple of ways. I'll show you some. So we can rotate here, just do strict inline rotation, which is cool, it's good. We can also rotate here, where we're doing over the shoulder, looking for our back pockets. All right, and then we come up a little bit higher, and we can do this. Or I like to really finish it off and let the spine follow the head. And then we come up vertical. You look behind, can you see your feet? There they are. There they are, well, at least one of them. And then you can lean back. Can you see your hands? And then you can lean back. So really simple, but it's a head nod flow or a head rotation flow. And again, I said you could do it in different positions. So you can also do it here. You can prop up. And then you can get vertical here, or you can just scooch to your bottom. Because as you start to do this, it makes it easier. And you can even go into extension here. But it's a head nod flow. Give it a shot. Do you have head control? Can you nod your head in all those positions? The more availability you have to your movement in whatever position you find your body in, the more options you have, the better off you are. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.